True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for stopping by. You might don't know, say, on the channel, tour Jamaica, different places in Jamaica. So my location is in Williamsfield, Manchester. Yeah man, so we are going on the bridge, going to the small town area, Williamsfield. So on our journey today, we will be passing the Kirkvine area, Windalco plant, Kirkvine Sports Complex, Penn Hill also, to Walderston. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. One love, one heart. So you know, cool Manchester, very nice place. Yeah man, we just across the chain line now. Very close to Williamsfield train station. Also on your right, you have a coffee factory on your right. Yeah man, so if you're just stopping by, just like up the video for my people. Please like up the video because YouTube will like it. Yeah man, and big up on anyone I watch from yard and abroad, UK, Canada, USA, Antigua, Bahamas, Grenada. Big up on yourself. Everyone just big up themselves, you know. So I'm gonna make the left turn. So you know, if you take the right turn, it will take you all to Old Melrose bypass. Also can take you back to Porous and to Banana Ground and to Belfield area. Yeah man, on your left you have the best jerk shop. On your left you can get your jerk pork and jerk chicken, anything you want on the jerk with and the breadfruit. Yeah man, so you can check out that stop there. So when you're in the Kirkvine area, it's about 10 minutes drive to Mandeville town. Yeah man, proud of my country, proud of me come from, sweet Jamaica, natural beauty. So yes, with people, no matter where you're at, yeah man, just proud to be a Jamaican. I know a lot of persons are saying, a lot of people are saying about the crime and violence and stuff. Hopefully someday this thing will change by the help of God. But big up on yourself, still proud of your country same way. So if you make a right turn, it will take you all to the content community. So we're very close to Windalco plant. So you have to be careful when you're driving on this road because a lot of heavy units drive on this road, so you got to be very careful. On your left, you have the Windalco plant in Manchester. So we're in the Kirkvine area, going towards the Kirkvine Sports Complex, and also the turnoff will take you all to Kendall, which can take you all to Mile Gully, Winston Jones Highway, can take you right back to St. Elizabeth also. You want to drive Mile Gully, then place the Comfort Hall, straight back to Balaclava. Also, we can take you all to Appleton Estate, you know, Appleton. You know, so also is a tourist attraction. Just the other day they launched some new rum. So if you're a person who like your rum, you can check out Appleton Estate in St. Elizabeth. On your right, you have the Kirkvine Sports Complex. On your left, this is where you would make the left turn, will take you all to Kendall. Winston Jones Highway can take you all back to Mandeville Town and also to Mile Gully. So this is the channel if you want to know about Jamaica, many different areas, if you want to see the beauty of Jamaica. Yeah man, this is the right place, this is the right channel to stop on. Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so you have a hill with them call name Penn Hill in Manchester. Yeah man, so you don't know Penn Hill. I wouldn't say it's a dangerous hill, but you have to approach with caution. Be very careful when you're coming down Penn Hill. Always try to come down in a low gear and always slippery when wet also. Yeah man, so you go up the hill now, so you care if you're in a tack. Yeah man, if you don't want to overheat, make sure so you check your water in the morning. If you not take them hill here, because you know say car not like if under pressure. When you go over hill, it will overheat. So remember to check your water in the morning, also your oil, your air pressure, and also your jack and your spare tire when you're going on your journey. Yeah man, because you know say in Jamaica, you know, with the record service and stuff, you know that's not really, it don't really reliable at times. So just check for them necessary stuff there, you know, because if you break down a road, sometimes it's only a good Samaritan can help out you like that. Yeah man, so you have to make sure you check them things there, you know. Yeah man, so you know the Penn Hill area, very steep hill. I remember back in the days, I heard of an incident with a fire unit driving on Penn Hill, lose control on top of the hill, and he take it from way up on the hill, go right down into Windalco. The turn off right there would take you all to Kendall. Yeah man, so big up to that driver there, big up yourself in the way there, big up yourself. I think I know the name, I heard of that name before, I think it's Mr. Myers. Big up yourself. One lover, one heart, big driver. So remember to like up the video guys, free of cost. Just give it a big thumbs up. Yeah man, thanks a lot, I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah man, so you can check out some new content very soon. You can look out for Highway 2000. Yeah man, the expansion from Maypen to Williamsfield area. You can look out for them content very soon. Yeah, so you have a little bit of traffic on the hill, so just take your time, wait for your turn. Yeah, man, you know, a lot of persons go overtake. They really watch the road, so you have to look out for them people the same way. They really are this not taxi man, but it's a message to all the taxi man them just drive careful on the road them for them people because transport people from one location to the other and them want to reach them journey safe, so just be careful with them people there for me please. Look out on the eyes, take on the time on the road them. I say to all the taxi driver them, it's taking the time for me, carry the people them safe to them location. Thank you all for listening to that piece of message. Yeah man, big up my fans them anyone there again, big up on yourself. And know upon them beautiful house here. Very nice house in Manchester area, very nice weather also. Cool climate. If you don't want to feel them type of climate here, now if you go to the St. Elizabeth area, place with them call name Monroe, Malvern, them side, a very nice weather there. So you can check out them area there if you don't want some nice cool weather in Malvern, Monroe area. Very nice climate there. And always remember for the kids, be careful for your kids. Yeah man, we're going to the school zone, so we have to look out for the kids them. From once you see a ball run across the road, yeah man, just look for a kid coming across also, so be very careful. So we're approaching the Misper Primary School. Yeah man, approach it would be on your left, the Misper Primary School. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, big up to all of the teachers. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, teacher, policeman, soldier, doctor, fireman, lawyer. Big up to all the garbage man them to same way. We are cleaning street. Yeah man, take off my hat stone. No? Big up on yourself, man. Cause you have to keep Jamaica clean. Big up on yourself to all the garbage collector them, you know. Big up on yourself. Respect you all the time, man, from Fire Reid. Also on Penn Hill, you have a nice place where you can have, you know, cow skin soup. Also, you know, cow skin and peanut and red pea soup, jerk pork and jerk chicken. Yeah man, and Penn Hill. You know, saying St. Elizabeth, them have them place where them call them chain line, where them do them cow skin soup in St. Elizabeth. The best cow skin soup in St. Elizabeth you can go. You can get a chain line, going to the inside them place there. But on Penn Hill, you can get the same thing. Yeah man, so you can get the same red peas soup, cow skin and peanut and Penn Hill. So you need to check it out in paper, anyone that come from. Check out that place if you come from Penn Hill, you know. Very close to it, maybe a couple minutes away from it. I would indicate and say when I'm at that place. So keep on watching, guys. So this is the jerk center, and also we can get on your left, we can get your cow skin soup and peanuts and red peas soup. You don't know, check out them places on the compound Penn Hill. And top further up the hill, you have also next jerk center with them jerk pork and jerk chicken. Them call it, I think them call it the Father Bull Jerk Center. Yeah man, so you can check out that also. Up in the Walderston area. Yeah man. You see over the right side, you see a little stall. And you can get on the fruits, you can get on the yam, banana, pumpkin, dasheen, cocoa. If you want to make a nice soup also, you can check out that area there. Yeah man, so big up on yourself people. Thanks for tuning in again. On your right, this is the jerk center I'm telling you about again. Yeah man, so I think it's Father Bull Jerk Center. Yeah man, very nice place to have on a jerk chicken and jerk pork. So we're heading up to the Walderston area. Yeah man, big up on yourself again. One love again, one love. Thank you all for tuning into the channel. Thank you, really appreciated it. Thank you a lot, thank you.